Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we're going to discuss about one of the another types of wireless access point. If you guys have a look this access point, this access point doesn't come with any power adapter. I mean, you will wonder which kind of access point is this one. So my entire aim is that once you finish this course, you may not encounter any issue when you see any types of devices. Luckily, I have all, I think, not all, but luckily I have almost all of the equipment or devices that which is necessary to um, does a technical person remember these things. Guys, this kind of access point is called power over Ethernet access point. So far, if you want to run those kind of access point, you probably need to have one of these adapter. If you look at this adapter, it does come with a two ports. If you look at here, one is data, another is, or we can say another is, one is data and another is for the power. All right, so on this section, this side is just electricity. So in order to turn on this kind of access point, you need to have a two, what? You need to have a two network cable. This is my first network cable, and I want to connect this one to data. So when I connect this one, sorry, so I want to connect this one to data. So mean the one which is connected to data is the one which is connected to my router. And I want to connect this one, the one which is called, I can say, data and power out. So this is data power out, and this section is I connected to what? To my router. So I use the same color cable, but anyway. So now we look at here. When you look at here, there's no lights on. Let me plug in here. Right. So we have to make sure most of the time we are using this kind of access point for the ceiling. And I just connect the power. Just give me 1 second. Let me connect the power adapter. It is more practical class, you know. Here's the power adapter and let's connect it. Alright, there should be a light. Lights on, it is green, mean this is good to go. And now, if you look at my access point, you will see the lights on now. This is called power over Ethernet access point. How we can configure this access point? It is almost the same way as we configure the another types of access point. But of course, let's dive into this access point and see how we can configure this kind of access point as well. Alright, allow me to log in this access point, and in the next lecture we will definitely dive into installation and configuration of this access point. See you guys there.